Hello, plant enthusiasts. As we step into a new year, let's embrace positivity with nature. Join us for a deep dive into 5 auspicious houseplants for a prosperous new year according to Vaastu. Wishing you all a happy new year filled with green blessings. The money plant is a symbol of prosperity in Vaastu. Believed to attract financial abundance and positive energy, its heart-shaped leaves align with Vaastu principles, making it an auspicious choice to welcome wealth and good fortune in the new year. Lucky bamboo symbolizes good fortune and positivity in Vaastu. Its twisted stalks and vibrant greenery are believed to attract prosperity and luck. Placing it in specific directions aligns with Vaastu principles, making it an auspicious choice for a prosperous new year. Holy Basil or Tulsi holds sacred significance in Vaastu. Its aromatic leaves symbolize purity and positive energy. Placing Tulsi in the northeast or central areas aligns with Vaastu principles, inviting health, prosperity, and auspicious vibes for the new year. The peace lily exudes tranquility and is cherished for its air-purifying abilities. Vaastu recommends placing it in the north or northeast to foster a harmonious environment, symbolizing peace, making it an auspicious choice for a prosperous new year. Areca palm embodies good fortune and positive energy in Vaastu. Its lush fronds signify abundance and prosperity. Placing it strategically, especially in the living room or near the entrance, aligns with Vaastu principles, inviting prosperity for the new year. The orchid, revered for its elegance, is considered auspicious in Vaastu. Symbolizing love and fertility, it aligns with positive energy. Placing orchids strategically, perhaps in the southeast or southwest, is believed to attract prosperity and good fortune in the new year. And there you have it, folks. The key to a prosperous new year lies in the green embrace of these auspicious plants. Wishing you all a happy new year filled with positive energy and abundance. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy gardening!